Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Yamaha R6 Supersport. Beautiful metallic white paint scheme with the red seats. I love the accented seats. Smoke windscreen, only 22,000 miles. Gorgeous condition. Fender Eliminator kit. Come on by. Make your super sport dreams come true for just $72.99. This bike is not going to be here long. Got fantastic curb appeal. Just checked out in the service. Everything's good. Full tank of gas. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web. www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.